I play the rock and roll music now?
So, yo, what up? We're PAGEANT from New England. I drove like 7 hours to be here. I want to see some fucking movement. Move this shit up close. If you are outside of this room, come the fuck inside. Fuck yeah! This is our first show back in a while. We're happy to be back. Woo! Thank you to Gold Sounds for hosting. Shout out Subordinate. Shout out everyone on this bill. Death Certificate, ZINC, QUALMS, PILLOWBITER. Fucking DISFATHOM. Dude, DISFATHOM is so fucking good. Woo! DRIVEL.
Yeah. Are we ready?
Let's fucking do this.
Fuck yeah!
You day rotten son of a bitch. You're a cocksucker and a motherfucker. You're a whore bastard. No fucking good.
I like women. But you could change. I'm worried that you work in an office, have children, celebrate wedding anniversaries. The world of heterosexual is a sick and boring line. I'd be so proud if you was a friend.
It's called Destructive Pose. It's about whoever you want it to be about.
Fucking octopad. Fucking octopad.
Inscriptions on a fire casing read, "Notices, bulges, capital OWO, what's this, question mark." Inscriptions on the 3 unfired casings read, "Hate bashes, exclamation point, catch, exclamation point." Up arrow symbol, right arrow, and symbol, and 3 down arrow symbol. A second unfired casing read, "Oh Bella Chow, Bella Chow, Bella Chow, Chow Chow." And the third unfired casing read, "If you read this, you are gay."
Oh yeah, first time playing in New York. Damn. No offense to you New Yorkers, but this city's a lot worse than I expected.
It's true. What's that song? New York, I love you, but...
Fuck over London.
Are you up? Y'all ready for this? I'm fucking ready!
You know what? There's a war suit on her.
You go first! I'm so sorry, what song is this? Oh, so vivid!
New lineup. This next one is probably a song you know. You've never listened to it. It's got a line that goes, I just want to be loved. And I want you all to come in and say it at the same time. Fuck, oh, my voice. It's like I haven't done this in 6 months.
Focus.
I want to kill the President of the United States.